I wish I had a little yarmulke. Oh, I do have a little yarmulke. I look really tall, huh? Look.
Where you go?
It's a workout. That is my exercise. Take this dry seat.
Whoa, where are you going?
Da-da. What?
She wants you to dance with her. Right there. Right there.
I'm going down?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, Daddy got your belly.
Oh no, get the little. Oh.